Welcome to part 71 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning about compound nouns. A compound noun is made of two or more words. Together, they create one single concept or thing. There are three types of compound nouns. First, one word, toothbrush, sunglasses, football. Second, two separate words, car park, credit card, coffee table. Third, hyphenated, mother-in-law, check-in, well-being. The tricky part is knowing which form to use. Unfortunately, you often have to learn them individually. But here are some patterns to help. The stress usually falls on the first word. Blackbird, a type of bird. Blackbird, any bird that happens to be black. The stress difference changes the meaning. Let's look at some common compound nouns by category. Around the house, bathroom, bedroom, living room, doorbell. Food and drink, teaspoon, coffee cup, lunch break. People, babysitter, lifeguard, firefighter, policeman. Places, airport, supermarket, car park, post office. Nature and weather, sunlight, rainfall, thunderstorm, seashore. When you learn a new noun, check if it's a compound. Many common English words are hidden compounds. Breakfast means to break your fast, to stop not eating. Cupboard was originally a board for cups. English compounds tell little stories. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.